The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And this is just some sad things that I'm going to talk to you about right about now, viewers and subscribers. You see me? This video that I'm doing right about now is about a protest that happened within the parish of St. Andrew, that is of the country of Jamaica. And this protest happened because of a shooting incident that claimed the life of a person whose last name is Ferguson, and the person who had lost his life is said to be a male who is in his 20s. And according to how I understand some of the things that had been said about this shooting incident, it seems as if residents within the Cockburn pen area are saying that the person is innocent and they are upset about it. I also have some videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, like some pieces of videos, not really long videos, but these videos, they are going to show some of the things that happened during and because of this protest. Now, I am going to explain to you according to how I understand some things that had been said in reports out there about these incidents that happened. So please bear in mind that I am explaining to you according to how I understand some of the things that had been said in reports out there about the shooting incident and the protest. You see me? All right, now, according to reports, it is said that upset residents of Cockburn Pen in St. Andrew, that is of the country of Jamaica, protested because of the shooting death of a man allegedly shot by the police. You see me? Now, both of these incidents, viewers and subscribers, both of these incidents happened on the 5th of June 2020. And when I say both incidents, I'm talking about the shooting incident and the protest. According to reports, it is said that the police gave reports that sometime after 8 a.m. on the 5th of June 2020, members from a team got involved in a confrontation with a group of persons. And during this confrontation, the person who is known as Ferguson had been shot. And according to reports, it is said that a firearm had been seized with 10 rounds of ammunition. It is said that the area had been affected by feud between gangs or gang war. You see what I'm saying to you? And because of these things that happened within the area or the community, police presence had been placed within the community to maintain order and to keep the community safe. Now, during this protest that happened, persons threw different things in the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Walton Park Road. Is what I'm saying to you? And there's reports out there that 2 police service vehicles had been damaged and 1 private vehicle had been set ablaze and a motorist got injured. And it is said that the motorist was passing by. It is said that members of the security forces had been deployed and they tried to take control of the situation. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. You get what I'm saying to you? And please bear in mind that there are more informations about the shooting incident and the protest that happened within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you, like video 1, video 2, and so on, is what I'm saying to you. And as I'm about to present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. All right? Now, here are the videos. Take a look, listen, and observe. Black Lives Matter.
Show them how you work that trailer, man. Blood clot catching all of this on camera.
Oh, police. Which police that? Oh? Waste man. Look like a real waste man now. I know him, man. I know look like man. The black road I go on, people might protest, police them might kill the people them innocent. The fuckery I go on. Bumbuckler.
Jaja. Well, you're even sure we're going to say no. I don't even know what I want. But this is Agley Park Road intersection and the people are demonstrating for next what? Unjust killing. I don't know what the details, but that's what they're demonstrating. Police just kill a man unjustly. Right. That me hear them say. So one man them kill one man unjustly. I thought them all out, you hear them? Yeah, listen to them.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. I don't know Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.